Hello, third grade families. Welcome back to Thursday, April 16th. Our learning for today, if you scroll down to language arts, the first thing is to listen or reread the story, The Foot Race Across America. If you would like to reread the story, you need to click on the link here for Monday to open the story to read it. If you want to listen to the story, you can open this link right here and it'll take you to a YouTube channel of listening to someone read the book to you. Then the next thing over here, we have a common final syllables page. And if you open this up, it talks about some of the common syllables at the end. And all you're going to do is read over these words, pick the word that works best in each of the following 10 sentences. Give me the camera and I will take your, find which word works best and write it right there on the line. When you finish this, you may click right here for the answer key to check your answers on it. And then we also have a Journeys Family Connection page for you guys. It's 2 different pages. You can open them and choose one of the activities to do. I know they say day 1, day 2, day 3, but you're just going to pick which one you want to do. On the run, vocabulary on the go, on Route 66, or on page 2 here, you have 2 other options you could choose from. Whichever one you feel like doing today, pick it and do that one today with your family. And then that is everything for ELA. We'll move down to math. On math for Thursday, you have your math spiral review. It is the last day of the review, so finish off Thursday. And then once you finish Thursday's math spiral review, you have an answer key on the 3rd page that you can ask a parent or yourself. You can check your answers and make any corrections of anything that you did not get correct. So there's the answer key for you. When you are done with that, we have a new lesson today, Chapter 14, Lesson 2, over polygons. Like before, page 839, 840 is more introductions. We're just talking about a polygon being that 2-dimensional closed figure where 3 or more lines are straight and do not cross each other. We're going to talk about the attributes or the characteristics will be the number of sides and the number of angles it has. So looking down here, we have our first polygon is a pentagon. You can see the shape of the pentagon here on the soccer ball. We know it's a pentagon because it has 5 sides to it and it has 5 angles on the inside. Same thing down here with our stop sign. It is an octagon. Octagons have 8 sides and 8 angles. And then page 840, this is a really good page to refer back to even next week. You might hang on to this when you're doing more polygons because it's a good chart to keep a hold of. So if you have access to a printer, you might print it or take a picture of it with your phone and save it. It tells you the different polygons, how many sides and how many angles, and it shows you some examples of them. And then at the bottom here, you have question number 1 on your guided practice. And then moving into your independent practice over here, you're going to describe each shape and determine the number of sides and angles. So look at this one, write how many sides, how many angles, and then you're going to write on the line what the polygon is called. So you'll do that for all of these ones on this page. And then down at the bottom, it's wanting you to draw an example of a triangle and an example of a quadrilateral. On the back of this page, or the next page we have here, is some word problems. So it's saying if I put these 2 pattern blocks together, now I created a new shape. It wants to know what would that polygon be called. Pay attention to the number of sides it has and the number of angles it has. Then coming down here, you're going to classify some other polygons and answer these questions as well. And remember the last one, how do you classify those polygons? What attributes are we talking about throughout the whole lesson? We'll help you with that one there. That is all of your learning for Thursday, April 16th. You can play that vocab game if you haven't yet, or you can play it a second time. If you need that math toolkit or you want to play around with some geoboards in it, you are welcome to do that there. Have a great day.